Changing 2008 Mercedes S550 windshield washer pump. Okay, this is the new one, and this is the old one. It's not working. Long story short, the way I got it out, I mean, all the stuff that I took out wasn't necessary. Well, this is necessary, but not this, because I thought I would have had to take the light bulb out. I'm sorry, the headlight out to get to the reservoir. But all I did was take off one of the air ducts, move to the side, fish my hand in there, and take it out. I wish I would have took the video earlier to show you exactly what steps I did, but I was kind of in a rush. But basically, it's easy job 1, 2, 3. What you want to do is siphon all the fluid out, put it in there, because if you don't do that, guess what's going to happen? It's going to leak all over your garage floor or your front driveway or whatever. But it's simple. So basically all you do is pull it out. You could actually stick your hand in the bottom of the reservoir on the inside and push it up, because this little piece protrudes in the bottom. So I don't want to say it was easy. It was easy if I knew what I was doing, but I figured it out now. Hopefully this won't happen again. Simple. Remember, 2008 Mercedes S550, changing the windshield washer pump. Oh, Amazon, $7, $10 with shipping. All right, folks. Peace out.